Don't go anywhere. Healthcare workers may have found a solution to some overbearing problems. It isn't news that we are in a healthcare worker burnout crisis. Staffing shortages, distributing patient data, admin and operation burdens. But there seems to be a glimmer of hope and an innovative solution to ease workloads, streamline processes, and bring back the human aspect to healthcare. Check it out.
The last time you went to the doctor, you probably saw a lot of paperwork, and that may be a thing of the past. It's great for you as a patient, and even better for the healthcare staff.
It's good to see you. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Dr. Kim Pierce has been practicing medicine for 25 years.
Ooh, that's nice.
That's good.
Yeah.
The reason she chose this career is because she wanted to help people. But lately, other things get in the way of her spending time with her patients. Complex things like going back and forth with insurance companies about what should be covered and tracking down medical records from a patient's previous doctor. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, health workers are facing a mental health crisis.
That really becomes cumbersome. It's a lot of time that I'm taking. It's a tremendous amount of time that my staff takes in order to be able to take care of a person.
That's where Holon Solutions comes in. It's relief for the people who take care of us.
It allows us to pull together information from multiple different sources and puts it right in our workflow. So I don't need to dig in multiple places, and I can actually address it with you right when I see you. So it helps me to take care of you in a more efficient, more effective way.
Some other things Holon Solutions does makes it easy to see care gaps at a glance, like falls or depression screening, gets a patient pre-authorized for a visit in just seconds, and makes billing seamless and stress-free.
Access is a huge problem. Not having enough access with doctors. Can you imagine if we gave all those people that time back to be able to see your doctor again?
Healthcare should feel human. That's the slogan Holon Solutions uses, and one Dr. Pierce and her colleagues agree with.
Thank you so much, Christina. Joining me now is the CEO of Holon Solutions, Jon Zimmerman. Jon, I need something like Holon Solutions in my practice, and I guess most physicians do. It's become so crazy and cumbersome. How do you guys solve our problems?
So it's super important for us to spend a little time with you, understanding what your practice is trying to do, the health plans and health systems that surround you, and where that information is that isn't in the records that you're looking at right now.
So there's lots of electronic healthcare records out there.
Yes.
Lots of different systems. How are you guys different?
We're different because we're not one of those. We complement all of them. Each one has been implemented for each practice in its own way. And the challenge is that they have these new requirements coming from value-based care contracts, et cetera. And the information that they're required to act upon is not in the system that they have. It's somewhere else. And they're expected to go try to find it.
By they, you mean the physicians?
The physicians, and most importantly, their staff.
Yeah, it's just such a waste of time. It's
if you do this right, the staff gets what they need easily and effectively brought to them the way that they want it, so they can use it, so you as a physician don't even have to think about it.
That's crazy. That sounds too good to be true, frankly. But congratulations.
But it is. You saw Dr. Pierce.
Yeah, I did, and I was thinking, my goodness. I mean, there's the word that jumped out at me was seamless. Us as caretakers, our ultimate goal is to be a caretaker, and I'm guessing the feedback from physicians you're getting is that they can now focus on the patient, not on the record.
Yes, sir. We give them the biggest gift that they want, which is time.
I get kind of angry when I get to this topic. As physicians, our attention is taken away from the patients, our time is taken away from the patients. We are in this profession to take care of patients, and it's the last thing on the priority list of so much of what rains down on us.
And it's our job to make you successful in that and take that mess away.
Incredible. Well, Jon, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. And for more information, visit holonsolutions.com, HOLON solutions, one word, .com, or more here at Health Uncensored. And stay tuned to find out just how important sleep truly is for many aspects of health and longevity.